Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video also, because many of our subscribers ask or tell us how we will make cucumber raita at home. So for this we already took all this ingredient. That's why I think that I made video. So that's why I made a video on this topic. So for this we already took this cucumber. Is we have to peel. We need peeler also, and yogurt. We need yogurt, and also this salt to taste. This black pepper also. It is this roasted cumin. Okay, you can roast. I will show you. You can roast at your home also, and this little cumin powder, and all this utensil like green chili also little. And you grater need, like we have to grate here is small piece. So first what we'll do, first we have to peel our cucumber, then we have to grate here, and we will mix with yogurt. This is very simple and easy recipe. And then we will put all these spices with little green chili, and we will mix. And this you can eat with biryani or any thing like kapsa or anything together with, you can eat this. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So please see this video till last. You will find how we will make this cucumber raita at your home in easy steps. So I will show you step by step. If you are still new on this channel or still not subscribed, so please click on subscribe button also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So let's start, and I will show you step by step. So let's start. To make our took this yogurt to make our raita, this cucumber raita. I already took yogurt here, and we have to grate this our cucumber, peel and grate, and the coriander for like we will chop this one also, and we will put our spice also. So first we have to put this one here and have to mix. Okay, so we already grated our cucumber, so you have to put here in, we mix this, and we'll put salt, pepper, and also this roasted cumin seed. So if you don't know how to roast, I will show you how we'll roast cumin seed. Okay, so you have to make this little, see the thickness accordingly. You can put little water also. See the thickness of the this raita. Okay, so you can add little water also. Okay, and to roast, I already put this pan, and here you put your cumin seed. Little you roast, not too much, only little we have to roast only. Okay, and we have to put this. Okay, and here I already put everything like salt, pepper, cumin powder, and this our little green chili and coriander is fresh. So we have to mix. We are waiting for this roasted cumin seed. So we will mix. Okay, this is our cumin seed also ready. So cumin seed should be roast like this. So like this we can roast, because if you will put like this, so taste will be good, and also will be good flavor. Okay, so we have to put now this. This is already done. Like this you should roast. Okay, see the color. So this is our roasted cumin. So we have to put this one also, and we have to mix now. Okay, like this. You can check thickness if you need more. So you can add little water, or like little milk also you can add. Okay. So our delicious cucumber raita is ready to serve now. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you will do like this. So if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload. So I hope you will do like this. We will come with another informative video also, and you can try at your home this recipe, and tell me in comment box how is the review of this recipe. And you can eat this raita with biryani or any other thing. You can eat this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. We will come another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.